Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we'll be baking some cinnamon buns. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-meshed ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Start by mixing together the flour, a third of the butter, egg, milk, salt and yeast in a mixing bowl. You might want to soften or even melt the butter to make this easier. Once it starts to come together, you can use your hands to form a large ball. Now cover the bowl and let it rest for about an hour in a warm place, like an airing cupboard. After the dough has roughly doubled in size, turn it out onto a floured surface to rest for a few minutes. Meanwhile, combine the brown sugar and cinnamon in a bowl and set to one side. Now you're ready to make your cinnamon rolls. Start by rolling out the dough on a floured surface to a rectangle shape, roughly 5 mm thick. Spread half of the remaining butter across the top of the dough. Follow this with the sugar and cinnamon mix spread evenly across the top. Now gently roll up the dough from the long edge and slice it into sections roughly 3 cm thick. Place them into a baking tin lined with baking paper. Cover and leave to rise for about half an hour. While these are rising, preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Once the buns have nearly doubled in size, put them in the oven and bake for around 15 minutes until they are a beautiful golden brown. While the buns are baking, beat together the icing sugar, remaining butter, cream cheese, salt and vanilla to make your icing. Once the buns are cool enough to eat, drizzle over a generous serving of icing and enjoy. You really can't beat a fresh baked cinnamon bun. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.